Hello everyone, I'm Dilruba Sharman, your trusted YouTube marketing and ads campaign expert. Today I'm excited to share with you how you can grow your channel using YouTube marketing strategies, video SEO, and organic promotion techniques. Whether you're a beginner or already creating content, these tips will help you increase your reach and engagement. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and with over 2 billion monthly users, there's a huge potential to get your content in front of the right audience. Effective YouTube marketing includes optimizing your channel, targeting the right audience, and creating engaging content. But that's not all. Your success also depends on how well you promote your videos organically and implement SEO strategies tailored for YouTube. Now let's dive into YouTube SEO. This is a powerful way to make sure your videos appear in search results. Here are 3 key elements to focus on. Keyword research. Just like in Google SEO, keyword research is essential. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube's autocomplete, and TubeBuddy to find trending keywords that match your niche. Optimize titles and descriptions. Include your target keywords in your video titles and descriptions. Keep the titles engaging but concise. Your description should offer a brief overview and use relevant keywords naturally. Tags and thumbnails. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about, so be sure to include a mix of general and specific tags. Don't forget to design a captivating thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers see. Organic promotion is all about getting views without paying for ads. Here are some strategies. Cross-promote on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Encourage your followers to engage with your content. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask your viewers questions, and encourage them to like, share, and subscribe. The more engagement you get, the more likely YouTube is to promote your videos to new audiences. Collaborations and playlists. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations expose your channel to new viewers. Also, create playlists with similar content to increase watch time and video discovery. With these YouTube marketing, SEO, and organic promotion tips, you're well on your way to growing your channel. Remember, consistency and engagement are key. If you need expert help with YouTube marketing or running ads, feel free to reach out to me. Let's make your channel a success together.